Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a Pokemon Go account. First of all, tap open Pokemon Go app. Then you'll be redirected to page something like this. Then select your birth date and tap on submit. After that, a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on new player because we're creating a new account. After that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can continue with Apple, Facebook or Google. I'm teaching you how to do it with your Google account, so tap on it. After tapping, a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on continue. After that, you'll have to select an account which you want to create your Pokemon Go account. So tap on the email you want to choose. Pokemon Go is a gaming global sensation in which you can discover various Pokemons in your area. It might take a while to load. In order to play Pokemon Go, you have to give access to your camera and location. So a menu like this will pop up and you have to tap on OK. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Then tap on have a referral code if you have a code. If not, then tap on continue. After that, you'll have to give access to your location to Pokemon Go by going back to your settings. After giving access to your location, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. You'll have to select your name, gender and your clothes. After you tap on the cursor on the right upper corner, a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on yes. After that, you're ready to play Pokemon Go. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.